Prompt engineering isn't just about asking questions. Different prompting techniques help AI generate more accurate, structured, and context-aware responses depending on the task. Zero-shot prompting gives the AI only a task without any examples. It relies entirely on the model's existing knowledge, making it ideal for simple questions, summaries, and quick content generation. One-shot prompting provides a single example to guide the AI, while few-shot prompting uses multiple examples to establish a clear pattern. These techniques improve consistency for classification, formatting, and content generation. Role-based prompting assigns the AI a specific persona, such as a teacher or software engineer. Chain-of-thought prompting encourages step-by-step reasoning, making it especially useful for complex problem-solving and analysis. Choose the prompting technique based on your objective. Simple requests work well with zero-shot prompts, while more complex or domain-specific tasks benefit from examples, reasoning, or assigned expert roles.